Alright, so let's take a look at the homework example. This is kind of similar to the practice that I have you do. So we can take a look at that. 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared. So, we notice that 4x squared is just another way that we write 2x squared, right? So that's just gonna be 2x. The square root of that is 2x. The square root of 1 squared is 1. So we're gonna rewrite that as 1 minus 2x and everything squared. So when you square 1, you get 1. When you square 2x squared, you get 4x squared. And then when you multiply these two, that's 2x. And then times 2. 2 times of that will give you negative 4x. So it's perfect. Now we have written the top into this one. And the bottom we did not do anything. So we're gonna rewrite them the same. Plus x over 1 minus 2x equals 0. Okay, so this part, there's nothing you can do. Okay, you cannot cancel them. You're just gonna keep them exactly like that. Now, this part, since they have the same first number and the same second number, same sign, and the exponent may be different, but what it really does is the top, we have 2 times of this. 1 minus 2x, 2 times, right? That's what it means by square. And then the denominator we have 3 times because that's cube. So I'm just going to rewrite like this so you can see that when you expand them, you can cancel. Okay, so here we have 1 minus 2x cancel out, 1 minus 2x cancel out. So the only one is 1 minus 2x in the bottom. And when you have something on top, you cannot leave them blank like this. So you can put 1, okay? You put 1 on top like that. So it looks like a fraction. Okay, so now let's go ahead and rewrite the remainder. 1 over 1 minus 2x plus x over 1 minus 2x equals 0. Now, when you see equal 0, you get so happy because what really happened is these two have to be equal to one another, but opposite sign, right? To make a 0. Okay, so what happened right here is forget everything about the bottom. You just care about the top. The top, when you add, they have to equal to 0. So just going to put 1 plus x equals 0. Okay, and then subtract 1 both sides. You have x equals negative 1. Okay, so that's how you do this. The next example you also see is another fraction. So we have 9x squared plus 6x plus 1 over 3x plus 1 equals 5. Okay, so what happened right here is we have to rewrite this one, so it's kind of look like this, so it's cancel. 9x squared, you can rewrite them as 3 squared and x squared. So that's just gonna be 3x squared, right? And then 1, it's just gonna be 1 squared. The middle, when you multiply, then you're gonna have 2 times of 3x. Okay, so that's the formula. We're just gonna rewrite this as 3x minus 1 everything squared. Okay, again, this is based on the lesson that we learned from lesson 3. And so that's the numerator. You rewrite them as 3x minus 1 everything squared. The bottom doesn't change. The denominator is still gonna be 3x minus 1 equals 5. So now in order to make them equals, let's go ahead and clean up this a little bit more. Oh, my bad, this is a plus. Okay. Okay. 3x plus 1 twice, 2 times. This is just 1 time. So when you divide, you're gonna have 1 time on top. Okay. So 3x plus 1. When you cancel out, you got nothing in the bottom. So you're gonna put 1 equals 5. Okay. So in order to work with this, we gotta make this one also. Oh, but anything divided by 1 is the same, right? So here we're just gonna rewrite as 3x plus 1 equals 5. Subtract 1 both sides. We have 3x equals 5 minus 1 is 4. Then in order to solve for x, you divide by 3. Divide by 3. X equals 4 over 3. Okay, so basically every time that you see the fraction, you're gonna rewrite them so they look like they can cancel out. Okay, and depends on the power, then you can cancel each of them and see what's left over. Whatever that's got canceled out completely become 1. All right, so that's how we do this. If you have other questions, let me know and rewatch the video that we have from this one and the other one. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.